Hello everyone, and welcome to my presentation on loops in Java. In programming, repetition is very common. Imagine you want to print numbers from 1 to 100 or process marks of 50 students. Writing the same statement multiple times would be inefficient and messy. This is where loops come in. A loop allows us to execute a block of code repeatedly as long as a certain condition is true. This saves time, reduces the size of the program, and makes it easier to maintain. In Java, there are three main types of loops: the for loop, the while loop, and the do-while loop. Each loop is useful in different situations. For this video, I will demonstrate the for loop, which is commonly used when we already know the number of times a task should repeat. Here is the simple program. Let's back it down step by step. First, we declare a counter variable I and set it to 1. The condition I less than or equal to 5 is checked. If it is true, the loop body executes. Inside the loop, the current value of I is printed. After that, the counter increases by 1 using I++. The loop goes back to the condition and repeats. When I becomes 6, the condition is false, so the loop stops. This way, the program prints the numbers 1 to 5 without writing 5 separate print statements. When we run the program, the output is numbers from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This example may look simple, but loops are extremely powerful. They help us process large amounts of data, like printing a multiplication table, reading values from an array, or handling input from users. The for loop is perfect when we know how many times we need to repeat something. On the other hand, the while loop is useful when the number of repetitions is not fixed and depends on a condition. The do-while loop ensures that the code executes at least once before checking the condition. Overall, loops make programs shorter, more efficient, and easier to understand. Without loops, programming repetitive tasks would be time-consuming and error-prone. In conclusion, loops in Java are a simple yet powerful feature that save time and make our code more efficient. They are widely used in real-world applications, from printing reports to handling large datasets in arrays and collections. That was my demonstration of loops in Java. Thank you for watching.